Good morning to all of you. So, chalo, how many of you have revised yesterday class? Please let me know honest answer. How many of you have revised yesterday's class? Let me clear the response and then let me know the answer. Guys, click yes if you have revised yesterday class. 13, 14, 15, 16. That's it. Bas itna hi. Guys, what was the homework? Didn't I give you a homework? एक छोटा सा assignment दिया था. Do you remember that part, guys? Guys, let me know what was the homework. I think one of you have asked me a question also. Then I told you that if you solve this question, your answer will be cleared. Your doubt will be cleared. Yes, horse and cart ka separate FBD, separate free body diagram. Yeah, Vishwa. Now I can remember. Correct. So Vishwa has had a question that, sir, tension on the rope, so tension connecting the horse and cart, okay, they're what equal and opposite. So net force is 0. So how the horse or cart will move? The question was like this. Okay, so guys, I asked you to draw the free body diagram of horse and to draw the free body diagram of cart. So in our case, we have two different systems. So let us try to draw the free body diagram of horse. ठीक है चलो, तो हम ऐसा लिखेंगे horse और horse को गोल घेर देंगे. So if I'll be representing horse like this, इसका meaning क्या है? I am talking about free body diagram of horse where horse is the system. Okay, चलिए. तो कल जैसे घोड़ा बनाया था वैसे ही घोड़ा बनाएंगे. So how does the horse look? बच्चा लोग, हमारे घोड़ा कैसा दिखा था? कुछ इस तरीके का rectangle. Then ये था part. So this is our horse with 4 legs, obviously. Yes, Keaton, correct. So guys, now this is our horse. इसके साथ पीछे में क्या connected है? पूंछ से नहीं connected है. Like rope is not connected to the tail. ये क्या बच्चा? इससे with some platform, with some arrangement, ropes are connected to it. चलिए बच्चा लोग, तो बताइए what are the forces that I should actually apply on it? Because when we draw the free body diagram, we only draw the forces that is acting on the system. Here system is the horse, so we have to draw the forces which will act on the system. Because of those forces only, the system will move, the system will accelerate. ठीक है, चलिए. So there will be one force that will act downward because of the emotions of Dharti Ma, ठीक है ना, Mother Earth, that is mg. There will be one force because of the ground in the path, ठीक है. So because of the ground, there will be one normal force in upward direction. Tell me guys, what will be the other forces? So to move forward, this horse was moving forward. So to move forward, the horse will push the earth in backward direction. So this horse will what? Push the earth in backward direction. So this is the force which is applied on earth due to horse or by the horse. So we are not talking about force on the earth. We are talking about force on the horse. So what will happen? So when this horse will apply a force on the earth, earth will apply equal and opposite force on the horse. Okay? So earth will apply equal and opposite force on the earth. And actually this will be friction. Friction होता है, ये normal होता है, and this will be mg. Tell me guys, what are the other forces that lack? तो होगा क्या बच्चा? So when this will try to move forward, this will pull this string in leftward direction. So the string or the cart will pull the horse in rightward direction. So what will happen? So on the horse, there will be a force towards rightward direction because of the cart. So force on horse due to cart. So guys, when I'll write this F1, 2, what is the meaning of this? Tell me bachalo, what is meaning of F1, 2? Bachalo, can you hear me? Am I audible to all of you? Because I'm not getting any response here in the host account. Guys, please use the host account for messaging. Yeah, ठीक है then. So F1, 2 का meaning क्या है? Force on 1 due to 2. Force on 1 ड्यू टू 2 और फोर्स ऑन 1 बाई 2. ये ध्यान रखना. If I write FH, C, that means force on the horse due to cart. Okay? चलिए. So guys, verify your free body diagram with this one. How many of you have drawn the free body diagram of the horse like this? However, you can say, sir, 4 legs are there, so 4 friction will be there. तो 4 जगह मुझे दिखाना चाहिए. But I'm just adding all those leftward force and making it a single F. No issues. So only 8 of you have got the correct answer. चलिए, now let us draw the free body diagram of cart. But chalo, let us draw the free body diagram of the cart. So the cart will look somewhat like this. Let us draw the पहिया, the wheel. छोटा बड़ा हो गया, कोई बात नहीं. रियर व्हील थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया, अंडा बन गया ये तो. So yeah, अब बताओ बच्चों लोग, what are the forces that will act? Yeah, N also acts on 4 legs, correct. तो नेट जो होगा वो ऊपर ही होगा, तो मैंने नेट सबका 4 को जोड़ के बता दिया. So कौन कौन सा फोर्स बच्चा? धरती माँ का प्यार, ठीक है ना. इमोशंस ऑफ मदर अर्थ, mg. तो mg will act downward. Then there'll be one normal force. Don't worry guys, today we'll study normal force also. We will understand why this normal force will come. Okay, टेंशन नहीं लेना है, टेंशन लेने का नहीं, देने का है ना. This is what normal force. Tell me guys, what are the other forces that will act? Simple सी बात है sir. When this cart will move in leftward direction, the wheels will move somewhat like this. Wheels का rotation will be what? Anti-clockwise direction. When the wheels will rotate in this way, what will happen? The wheel will apply a force on the earth in a rightward direction. Just imagine a condition where this pen or a ruler is rolling like this. देखो इधर, ये मान लो ऐसे रोलर है, ठीक है, ये उंगली. If it rolls like this, ठीक है. So how the forces will act? So when the wheel will rotate like this will apply a force in rightward direction on the earth. तो अर्थ क्या बोलेगा? Apply, or earth will use the Newton's third law and will say, I will also apply equal but opposite direction force. So this will be the force on horse due to earth, on cart due to earth. This is the force on earth due to cart. So which force we are interested in? We are interested in force on the cart. So I don't have to draw this. Force on the cart due to earth. And here it will be friction. Okay? Horizontal component of the contact force is called as friction. We'll study those things in later classes. Acha. Guys, just now we figured out that sir, horse will be experiencing a force because of the cart. So cart has applied a force on the horse. So क्या होगा बच्चा? Horse must have applied a force on the cart. Like this. So these are the forces that will act on the cart here. So guys, click yes if you have understood the free body diagram of horse and cart. And guys, let me know if you have any doubt here. Don't ask me to repeat. I'm not going to do that. There are some questions where I don't want you to say just repeat. I just want you to participate in that. If you have any doubt, please let me know what is your doubt exactly. किस question में किस force में problem है. If not, then click yes. Clear है बच्चा लोग? समझ में आया सबको? चलिए. So it's okay then. So let us now move on to normal forces. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? So now we'll study normal force. तो हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? Normal force. When I told you that we are going to study 2 types of forces. One will be what? Contact force. Other one will be normal, non-contact force. So in contact force, ध्यान से देखो बच्चा लोग, in contact force, there will be 2 types of force that we'll study. One of them is called as normal force. ये जो हो जाएगा हमारा normal force. And the other contact force will be what? Friction force. So first we are going to study normal force, and later classes, once I'll teach you all the dynamics, how to solve dynamics and all, we'll study friction. ठीक है, चलो. What is normal? What is friction? What is difference between these two forces? What is difference between these two forces? तो देखते हैं. So what is normal force? So let me define it. So we define normal force as component of contact force. Component of contact force perpendicular to surface in contact. So component of contact force perpendicular to surface in contact is called as normal force. अच्छा, what about friction बच्चा लोग? तो friction is nothing but the component of contact force. It's the same component of contact force parallel to the, क्या लिखेंगे बच्चा? Parallel to the surface in contact. Let me tell you the basic difference. ठीक है, एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Guys, everybody knows how to walk, right? Everybody knows how to walk. कैसे walk करते हैं बच्चा लोग? How do you walk? कैसे टहलते हो? Tell me guys, how do you walk? Consider this is your foot. मस्त स्कूल चले हम का, आज से आपने शू पहना हुआ है, ठीक है? Don't comment on the diagram. Guys, when you try to walk, what actually your foot do? Does, क्या करता है? What actually your foot, one of the foot does, क्या करता है? If you try to walk, apply force on the ground. But in which direction you apply force on the ground? कौन से डायरेक्शन में लगाते हो? जल्दी से बताओ. In which direction you apply force on the ground? Do you apply force on the ground in parallel direction? In this direction? Not exactly. Do you apply force on the ground only in this direction? No. You apply force on the ground in a direction somewhat like this. Right? तो कुछ ऐसा force लगाता है. Right? Because of your weight, you want to go down actually. So this component is already there. See, when there is you have some mass, correct? You have some mass, and because of the mass, one gravitational force will come. So because of your mass, you have already a tendency to go down. You're not going down. That means this ground is actually opposing your motion. That means how a ground can oppose your motion? By applying a force. So this ground actually applies a force on your foot in upward direction. So your foot applies a force on the ground in downward direction. So this is the force applied by you on the ground in downward direction. When you are standing, simply when you are standing, when you start to move, when you start to walk, you apply one force in backward direction. You apply a force in backward direction. But since this force is also because of contact, and this force that you are going to apply is also because of contact, so I'll say resultant contact force will be somewhere in this direction. So when you try to walk, tell me in which direction you apply a force. Or when you are walking on a ground, in which direction you apply a force. So in this direction. You apply a force on the ground in this direction. तो क्या बोलेंगे बच्चा? So this is the direction of the force on the earth due to foot. Now guys, अभी और बचा हुआ है, don't worry. Click yes if you have understood till this point. Guys, click yes if you have understood till this point, till this direction. Clear है सबको? समझ में आया? अच्छा. Now tell me guys, when this force is the force on the earth because of the foot, tell me in which direction earth will apply a force on the foot. बोलो बच्चों लोग. So in which direction earth will apply a force on the foot? So earth will apply a force on the foot in opposite direction, isn't it? कैसा होगा चलो, तो कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा, इसके just opposite direction में with equal magnitude, in opposite direction with equal magnitude, the force will be applied by earth on foot. So we'll say force on the foot due to earth. Guys, clear है सबको? Now this is nothing but the force because of contact, so we call this as the contact force. ये क्या है बच्चा लोग? This is nothing but the contact force on the foot of a human being. So this is an example we are discussing. Acha. Now I have defined two forces. In contact forces, we have defined two. One of them is normal force, other one is friction. So the component of the contact force, this is the contact force. The component of the contact force perpendicular to the surface in contact. So which is the surface in contact? This is the surface, right? This is the surface. So draw a component perpendicular to the surface in contact. So can I say that this will be the component perpendicular to the surface? What will be the component parallel to the surface? This will be the component parallel to the surface. So we name this force as, let me write this here. ठीक है, मैं इसको इधर लिखता हूं. This is nothing but the normal force, and this is nothing but the friction. Guys, click yes if you have understood the meaning of normal force and friction. It is very, very important. I don't want you guys to commit any kind of mistake related to this. Crystal clear है? बिल्कुल एकदम sprite वाला clear है? Guys, am I clear to all of you? Or do you have any doubt here? I have taken one example when you try to walk. So while walking, what are the forces that will act? I have shown it here. ठीक है? So this friction we'll study, let's say after I think 7 to 8 classes. After 6 to 8 classes, I'll teach you this friction. ठीक है? Normal forces and all we'll study just in coming lectures. Okay? Aishwarya has asked her explain contact force. As the name suggests, bacha, contact force, the force because of the contact. The force because of the contact. See, bacha, if you are standing here, see, I didn't expect this question, but anyway, no issues. Consider this is a man, or consider yourself only. ठीक है, ये आप यहाँ पे ऐसे मस्त खड़े हुए हैं, मस्त. You are on the earth. ये धरती माँ पे ऐसे आप आराम से मस्ती में खड़े हो. Imagine this earth is here. Imagine the earth is here. What are the forces you'll experience? What are the forces? Aditya, as I told you, I'll not do that. I'll never do that in my class. Never, ever do that. Because I have followed an approach where I'm going extremely slow. I'm teaching you extremely basic points. I'm taking so much of your time. So you have to be very, very specific while asking out. I can't be going like this. Sir, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा सर पढ़ाई करने में. सर आप फिर से बता दो सर. No, I'm not your slave. Simple सी बात है. I'm your teacher. I'll help you. I'll support you. But with the exact doubt, with the proper approach, with your sincerity. I can't be a teacher जो हर बार को एक ही बात को repeat कर रहा है. I'm not a tape recorder, right? I'll always encourage your doubts, which will be pinpointed. क्या problem है? बताना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? But tell me, in this condition, is this boy, is this man, is this human being in contact with the earth? No, right? So what will I say? No contact force. But when you stand on the earth like this, क्या होगा बच्चा? Even if it is not in contact, there was a force of gravity because of the earth, right? Even if it is not on the earth, what is that? There is a force of gravity, and because of that force of gravity only, this man will come down. मस्त आया नीचे उछल के. ठीक है? So when this man comes to the ground, still the force is acting on this towards the center of the earth, right? So what this man would have done if this surface is not there? क्या करता बच्चा? जल्दी से बताओ. what this man would have done, what would have been the motion of the man if the surface is not there? यहां पे मान लो ऐसे मैंने होल बना दिया होता, क्या होता? What would have occurred if I have created a kind of loop, a hole here? What would have been the case, bacha? This man would have fallen to the center of the earth, right? Correct, hai na? But when you are having the ground here, now what will happen? It cannot go down. Now this man cannot go down. But what is the tendency? The tendency of the man is to go to the center of the earth. But who is opposing the motion? Who is opposing the motion? This contact between the surface of the earth and man's foot. This contact between the surface of the earth and the man is actually opposing the motion of the man towards the center of the earth. How can a surface oppose a motion? Think about this, guys, and give me an answer. How can a surface oppose a motion? Consider this is a surface. ठीक है, ये surface है. And imagine this is an object which tries to move in this direction. Now it tries to move in this direction, but there is a surface in contact. Now this is a surface here. It tries to move in this direction, in leftward direction, left to me, right? Tell me how this surface can oppose the motion of this object. क्या करेगा बच्चा? What this surface will do, or in this case, what this surface will do to oppose the motion of the man? By applying an opposing force. By applying an opposing force, simple. So this earth will apply a force opposite to the direction of motion. But this force is applied by the earth on the man. समझ में आया क्या? So why this component has come? Why this force has come? Because of the contact. So I'll say this is one of the contact force. So जिसने भी पूछा था contact force समझ में आया? अच्छा, now there is one more contact that will occur, that will come. ठीक है? आप बोलेंगे सर कौन सा सर? Now if this man, let me erase this circular part to avoid confusion. Now imagine, एक force तो लग गया बच्चा. Now one force is in right upward direction, force on the man because of the earth in perpendicular direction, perpendicular to the surface. Now when he tries to move, in leftward direction, so what he will do actually? He will try to push the earth in backward direction. So now he'll push the earth in backward direction. So force on earth due to man in parallel direction is what? Towards left. So what the earth will do here? Earth क्या करेगा? If the man is pushing the earth in backward direction, the earth will push the man in forward direction. Force on man due to earth in parallel direction. But guys, there is one more point. How this man was able to apply this force? Imagine if this contact is not there. Imagine if this contact is not there. If the contact is not there between the man and the earth, will the man or would man be able to apply a force in backward direction on earth? Guys, let me know the answer. This is very simple, but still I need your responses. If there is no any contact between this man and the earth, will man be able to apply a force on the earth in backward direction so that earth can apply a force on man on forward direction? No, it's not possible, right? तो क्या बोलते हैं बच्चा लोग? तो बोलेंगे this is also nothing but a contact force, because this has come because of the contact between the earth and the man. So here we are having how many contact forces? Tell me, guys. Here we are having how many contact forces? How many contact forces we are having in this condition? We are having two contact forces, isn't it? We are having two contact forces. One of them is along the surface in contact. Other one is along perpendicular to the surface in contact. Resultant of these two will be called as the direction of, or will be called as the contact force. This is the contact force. The one which is perpendicular to surface in contact is called as normal force. Normal, perpendicular. ठीक है? The one which is parallel to the surface in contact is called as friction. Aishwarya and other guys, those who were having doubt, now I am expecting that your doubt must have been cleared. Still, if you have any doubt, please let me know. No, Newton's third law applies in all the form of forces, not only in constant force. सब जगह लगता है. Even in contact force, even in gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force, whatever the type of force you assume, Newton's third law is applicable everywhere, whether there is a contact force or non-contact force. Okay, guys. So I'm erasing this diagram here, and I'm expecting that you must have understood the meaning of contact force and normal force. Okay. अच्छा बच्चा लोग, when I have taught you this normal component of the, देखो, now we are going to study normal force in detail. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं normal force in detail. So now let us decode this force अच्छे से. Tell me guys, why this component has occurred? अभी just now we have figured out, just now I have explained why this component of force on the foot has come. क्यों आया? Why that has come? जल्दी बताओ बच्चा लोग. Why this normal force has appeared on the foot? What is the reason? Guys, in Newton laws of motion, don't hesitate to write a story. I'm telling you in Newton laws of motion, don't hesitate to write a story. Story का मतलब क्या? Sir, ये होगा तो ऐसा होगा. Like have a kind of mapping, have a kind of flow chart. Sir, this man tries to go down. If I would have been a student who knows the answer, I'll tell like this. Sir, this man has a tendency to go down. Why, sir? So because of the mg force. Because earth will apply a force on the man. So this man has a tendency to go down. But sir, there is a surface which is in contact. This surface will not allow this to happen. This surface will not allow the man to go down. So the surface will not allow the motion. So actually, the surface will restrict the motion. Sir, to oppose the motion of this object, this surface has applied a force in normal direction. So I'll say, sir, because the surface opposes a motion normal to it, the surface applies a force on the object. So if I ask you, what causes the normal force? So I'll say, normal force will come when the surface will oppose the motion. Guys, did you understand that? When will you get normal force, bachcha log? When surface in contact tries to oppose the motion of the object normal to it. So when an object has a tendency to move across the surface, pass through the surface normal to it, the surface will oppose it. How the surface will oppose it? By applying a force. And that force can also be called as a normal force. Guys, clear hai sabko? Yes, Meghna, that is true also. Meghna is saying, sir, foot is applying force on the ground. But why that is going to occur? Because of the opposition of the motion. Because there is a tendency of the foot to go down, but the surface is not allowing that to happen. So if the surface is not allowing that to happen, what will happen? The surface will apply a force in upward direction. So in return, the foot will also apply a force on the earth. Got my point? Clear hai bachcha? Samajh mein aaya sabko? So when surface opposes the motion in normal direction, normal force will occur. Normal force will appear. Normal reaction force will appear. You can also say that. Got my point, guys? Chaliye. So what will be the direction of normal force every time? Bolo bacha. What will be the direction of normal force every time? Can I say that direction of normal force will be opposite to the tendency of motion. Perpendicular to surface in contact. Clear है बच्चा लोग? तो perpendicular to the surface, तो two directions are there ना. If you're having this surface, so perpendicular to the surface is upward also, downward also. So which direction? So opposite to the tendency of motion. If the block tries to go down, normal will be upward. If the block tries to go up, downward will be the normal. Clear है? Consider there is a roof. There is a rooftop. तुमने क्या लगाया? एक ड्रोन लिया आपने, ठीक है? And you have kept a block on a drone. तुमने एक ड्रोन पे क्या किया? एक ब्लॉक को रख दिया. Now this drone is trying to go up. When this block will touch the rooftop, it will try to go up, but the surface of the roof will not allow this to happen. So tendency of the block is to go up, but the surface will oppose it. So what is the normal force on the block? Opposite to the direction of motion. So downward will be the normal force. Got my point, guys? Am I clear? Clear to all of you? सबको समझ में आ रही है बात? चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया. So now let us solve some basic examples, basic conditions where you need to find the direction of normal. And while finding the direction of normal, you'll understand this concept in a better way. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? So let me give you some example. Guys, please copy these diagrams along with me and try to represent the direction of normal साथ में. ठीक है? I'll be drawing some diagrams here. So let me start with a simple example. There is a block, ठीक है, kept on a table. There is a block kept on a table. Now, second question. There is a table. There is one block, and on this, the other block has been kept. So this is the condition. Okay, you can consider this as object 1, this as object 2, this as the ground. Or you can consider on the ground, these two blocks have been kept. So question is, draw the free body diagram. Question is, because normal forces will act and force of gravity will act. So draw free body diagram of each element. तो जो element हमारे पास है, in this case we are having one element, like the element which can be analyzed. Ground को क्या analyze करोगे? तो ground को छोड़ देना. Just analyze the blocks. Okay, analyze the second block, first block, like this. So guys, I have told you, draw with me, so that when I'll be drawing the next diagram in next slide, you should be already drawn the diagrams from the previous slide. Okay, कुछ तो हो रहा है. All right, so this is wedge. This is a block. So draw the free body diagram of the wedge and the block. The wedge is kept on the ground. The wedge is kept on the ground. Next question. Come on, guys, please try to draw the free body diagrams. Don't wait. This is 1, this is 2, and this is the pulley. ठीक है बच्चों लोग, ये हमारा पुली है, and this is light and inextensible. So the string that we have used is what? Light and inextensible. ठीक है, pulley is light. light and smooth pulley. I'll let you know the meaning of this. ठीक है, light and smooth pulley. So draw the free body diagram of of these two blocks and the pulley. Okay, चलिए. Now let me draw one block connected to one more block. Now connected to a pulley. Kept on a table. It is inclined. Now there is a block which is kept here. क्या हो रहा है? No issues. So it looks like this. Okay, so draw the free body diagram of all the elements involved in this diagram. This is block 1, this is block 2, this is block 3, this is the pulley. The surface is smooth and rest everything. This is what light and smooth pulley. Here also surface is smooth. Here also surface is smooth. Guys, please draw the free body diagram along with me. If you would have been attending my offline classes, I would have seen each and every one of your notebook. क्या कर रहे हो आप? Because drawing free body diagram is extremely important. If you don't know how to do this, you'll be crying like a baby. You'll be crying like a baby throughout your PU1, PU2, saying, sir, I don't know. Whenever I'll be drawing free body diagram in other classes, in other chapters, you'll be making a very bad face. Believe me, guys, you'll make a very bad face. And you'll try to let me know that I know this, but inside you, you know that you don't know the answer. You don't know what is going on in the class. So that is why I'm telling you, please draw these free body diagram. Okay? Attempt it. Anyway, I'm going to solve it. Okay? But I need all of you to attempt it at least. Now, एक और अच्छा सा interesting question करते हैं. Let us say this is a block. Now there is a block like this. There's a block like this. There's a pulley. मजेदार है ये, ठीक है? I know most of you will give me wrong answer. All right, this is block 1. This is block 2. This is kept on the ground. And the surfaces of this block is what? Smooth. Okay. So surface क्या बच्चा? Smooth है. And this is, let's say, block 3. This is the pulley. Let us start with some of the questions. ठीक है बच्चा? Guys, how many of you have drawn the free body diagram of this question? कितने लोगों ने draw कर लिया? 8, 9, 10, only 9. अच्छा, how many of you have drawn the free body diagram of these two questions? Click yes. 14, only 14 of you. That's very sad. 19, 20, 21. So let us start with the simplest one. So guys, as I've told you, normal force. कौन सा force लगेगा बच्चा? अभी तक के लिए क्या क्या पढ़ा हमने? We have studied normal force, we have studied contact force, and we know about force of gravity. ठीक है? चलिए. So if I isolate this, because the system is this one. So if I isolate this object, let's say it looks like this. I have isolated the system. Now I will represent the forces that are acting on the system. तो पहला क्या बच्चा? सबसे पहले धरती माँ का प्यार. So in which direction धरती माँ will apply your force? Downward, towards the center of the earth. Downward. And what is the value of that force due to gravity? M into G. mg force लगा. Or you can also write force due to gravity को Fg. You can write Fg. F into G नहीं, Fg subscript है. Or otherwise simply write mg यार, it's okay. You know what is mg, right? चलिए. Now because of this force on the block will try to come down, but the surface will not allow that to happen. So surface will apply a force on the block. Surface will apply a force on the block, and that will be in upward direction, so normal. Guys, let me know, will there be any other force that will act on this block? Guys, let me know, will there be any other force that will act on this block? No. We are not talking about electrostatic force. We are not talking about magnetic force. We are not talking about any other force. Okay? So these are the two forces that will act on the block. Acha. Now what about this question? इसको solve करते हैं, ठीक है? Let me cut it only. So more than 20 of you have already drawn the free body diagram. Let us start with the first block. First लिखा and then circle किया. मतलब I'm talking about first block, which is our system here. So isolate this first block. So let us draw the first block here. ये हमारा first block हो. What are the forces that will act? तो पहला तो लगेगा धरती माँ का प्यार, नीचे लगा देना है. What is that बच्चा लोग? तो M1 into G. Mass of the block 1 is let's say M1. तो M1 into G is the force of gravity. अच्छा बच्चा लोग ध्यान से देखिएगा, थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है. अब पहले 2 का करते हैं यार. Let us first go with 2 because आसान है. Okay, चलिए. So force on 2 due to earth will be M2G, right? क्या लिखेंगे बच्चा लोग? M2 into G. Now guys tell me, because of this M2G, where this second block will try to go? It will try to penetrate block 1. बोलेगा हट मेरे रास्ते से, otherwise मैं तुम्हें चीर दूंगा. Right? So what this block 2 will say? Like, get off my way, I want to go to my mother's center. Like means earth, मतलब mother earth के पास मुझे जाना है, बीच से हट जाओ. Will this block 1 go away from this path? चलो क्या ऐसा होगा? नहीं होगा, right? That is a joke. So this block is actually resting here. Now block 2 has been kept on this. So the surface between 2 and 1, block 2 and 1, will oppose the motion, will oppose the tendency of motion in downward direction. How this opposition will occur? Block 2 wants to go down, but block 1 or the surface in contact will not let that happen. So what will happen? The surface in contact between 1 and 2 will apply an opposing force. Will apply an opposing force. तो ये क्या लगेगा बच्चा लोग? बोलेगा तुझे जाना है, कैसे जाओगे? मैं बीच में खड़ा हूं, तुझे टैक्स देना पड़ेगा, तेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मैं नहीं जाने दूंगा. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? ये क्या है बच्चा? This is the force on which block? Come on guys, tell me the answer. बहुत ही टफ क्वेश्चन है ये, एरोनॉटिकल साइंस का क्वेश्चन है ये. Tell me, this force is on this is a force on which block? This upward force is acting on which block? Second block, right? So I'll say force on this second block, or since this is normal force, so I'll let normal force on second block. Due to which? Or due to what? किसके कारण है? बोल बच्चा. This is force on second. Due to what? Due to 1. So I'll let N2, 1. Got it guys? So this is a force, ठीक है? This is on second block due to 1. Okay बच्चा लोग, क्लियर है सबको? अब बात करते हैं फर्स्ट ब्लॉक की. Let us talk about the first block. चलिए, तो पहले सबसे पहली बात क्या बच्चा लोग? तो मदर अर्थ विल कॉल फर्स्ट ब्लॉक, तो M1 into G. ओके, ठीक है. Because of this M1G, because of this M1G, where this block wants to go? He wants to go to the mother earth. But होगा क्या? मदर अर्थ ने यहाँ पे गेट में दरवाजा लगा रखा है. No, you can't come. You have done some. You have committed some mistakes. You have committed some sins. You can't come to me. पहले तुम अच्छे काम करो, तब मेरे पास आना. ठीक है? Be like सीता माँ. तो क्या होगा बच्चा? This mother earth will not open the door and she'll say you can't come. So what will happen here? So there will be a resistance. Block 1 wants to go down because of this M1G force, but the surface in contact between the first and the ground will not allow this to happen. So how can this be opposed? How this surface can oppose the downward motion of the block 1? So by applying an opposing force. By applying an opposing force. ठीक है? So this will be the force on. किस पे लगा बच्चा लोग? This is force on 1 because of, tell me guys. This is force on 1 because of ground. N1G. This is force on 1 because of ground. ये तो हो गया. अच्छा. Guys, did I miss something here? Or these are the only forces that will act on block 1? Tell me guys, did I miss something or will there be only 2 forces that will act on this block 1? Guys, please feel free to answer. Please feel free to comment. Very good guys. Yeah, I have missed the force on 1 because of 2. Sir, why? How did you miss it, sir? Reason देखो क्या है. See, this is a force on 2 because of 1. So 1 has applied a force on 2. तो 2 क्या बैठा रह गया? अरे सेम इसको प्यार धरती माँ ने दिया ना, सेम तरीके का इसमें भी ताकत है. This second block also has some power, right? So what will this second block will do? Newton has given him extra power, and what is that? Newton suggests that there for every action there will be equal and opposite reaction. So block 1 has applied a force on 2 in upward direction. So 2 will apply a force on 1 in downward direction. And since this interaction of forces occurred because of contact force and that too in normal direction, so we will name that force as normal reaction force. And all क्या बोलेंगे बच्चा लोग? And that can be written as force नीचे ही है. So I'll say N on 1 due to 2. Since 1 has applied a force on 2 in upward direction, so 2 will apply a force on 1 in downward direction. So I have experience like written here N1 to downward. The force on 1 because of 2. I have written N because this is a normal reaction, normal force on 1 because of 2. Guys, please click yes if you have understood the free body diagram of these 2 questions. Guys, I need maximum responses here. I need all of you to do this. I know very few of you are responsive. Very few of you follow the orders or follow the request of your teacher. But I request you guys that whatever the personality that you hold with you, that is not of any use if you don't interact with the teacher, if you don't follow the teacher. Okay? So guys, I request all of you to please respond to me when I ask you any kind of question, whether it is ridiculous, whether it is tough, whether it is easy. It's always to express yourself in the class. And guys, most of you always complain about this. Sir, in online classes, मजा उतना नहीं आता sir. Reason जानते हो क्या? तुम हो, teacher नहीं, कोई और नहीं. Yeah, sometimes I might be the reason. मैं बहुत bore करा दिया, continuous पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I'm not responding to you. I'm not communicating with you. That might also be the reason. But most of the time, the reason will be the students itself. Because students don't want to interact with the teachers. Students don't want to type something. They feel laziness. Sir, क्यों लिखना है sir? What is the significance, sir? What will happen, sir? Will tsunami come if I don't respond, sir? Already 28, 29, 30 of them are responding, whether you are listening or not. So what will happen, sir? So what, sir? अपने को क्या, sir? अपने को तो बस पानी निकालना है. तो तेरा पानी निकलेगा एग्जाम के बाद. ठीक है? If you ask me casually, I'll tell you. If you have this attitude, sir, so what if I don't respond? You will get to know after the result, after the examination. When you analyze the whole effort that you have given during the classes, when you try to understand what happened during these 2 years, then you'll say, sir, I have paid the fee to the teacher, sir. I have somehow given my effort also, sir. But when I don't get the questions correct, when I don't understand the concepts, I was not asking the teacher, sir. I have wasted my father's hard-earned money, sir. I didn't ask the doubts. I didn't get my doubts cleared. I didn't interact with the teachers because I have so and so ego inside me. I have some kind of ego. I had some kind of laziness. I had some kind of self-pride that I'm not going to ask. I had the attitude, so what? Tsunami will not come. No, tsunami will not come, but tsunami of bad career, tsunami of bad approach, tsunami of bad network will come if you don't sincerely attend the class, if you don't respond to a teacher. It will occur. आज नहीं तो कल समझ में तुझे जरूर आएगा. So I request all of you guys to please be very attentive in at least physics class. I can tell you for sure, bachcha log, even if you miss 1 or 2 classes of mathematics and chemistry, now you can aram se handle it by yourself. But physics mein, it's highly impossible. Yeah, you can do it. Few of you can do that. It's not like it is impossible. But more chances are that most of you will not be able to cope up physics if you miss the classes, if you don't take the help of teacher, if you don't listen to them. Because if you would have been that bright, you could have done better. You don't need a teaching, you don't need a coaching center. You would have studied a book, you would have get all your doubts cleared, you would have like cleared NTSC, you would have cleared JEE, you would have cleared physics Olympiad, international Olympiad by all yourself. ठीक है, आज ही तू JEE खत्म कर लिया होता. But that is not the case, right? So I request all of you to please respond when I ask something, whether it is ridiculous or कुछ भी रहे. ठीक है? देखो दर्शन ने क्या बोला, sir I please explain these two because I'm eating breakfast. Now what do you want me to do? दर्शन तू पहले मुझे नाश्ता खिला तब कराऊंगा, otherwise I'm not going to teach you. What is this बच्चा? Sir please explain this because I'm eating breakfast and because of some problem. So go and watch the class then after that. Tarak Datta has a doubt here. Sir, if there is one more block on it, then will the force on third block act on both the blocks? चलो करके देखते हैं. Tarak Datta has a doubt. Let us entertain his doubt. So Tarak Datta is asking a question where the question is, sir, what if one more block is there? So Tarak Datta, I think you have the class. Sorry, you have already the answer. Bacha, is there any effect of, देखो 2 का कोई ground पे force लगा क्या? Did this second block apply a direct force on the ground? Darshan is saying, sir, please come, we'll have breakfast. You already had your breakfast, you cheater. You already have your breakfast and you're saying, sir, please explain again. I didn't have my breakfast. I'm not going to explain that part. Neil Chandan, you'll get the recorded lessons of April also. Everything is there on the YouTube. Bolwa chalo, jaldi se. Will second block apply a force, a direct force on the ground? No, because it is not in contact with the ground. Are you getting my point? If you look at if I ask you to draw the free body diagram of the ground, let me draw it. So this second block is not in immediate contact with the ground, so कोई interaction नहीं है. हाँ, होगा क्या? So this first block will apply a force on the ground because it tries to go down, but ground is not letting that happen. So ground is applying a force in upward direction on block 1. So block will apply a downward force on the ground. So ये हो जाएगा नीचे में normal on ground due to 1. This is the only force that will act on the ground because of the block. However, in this NG1, N12 will always be considered. In this NG1, normal force on ground because of 1, this N12 has already come. Because if I ask you to write the relation between these 3 forces, what will be your answer, bachalo? What will be your answer? If I ask you to write relation between N1G and M1G and N12, what will be the relation that you're going to give me? Guys, tell me what is the acceleration of this block? Block 1 का acceleration कितना है? Tell me what is the acceleration of block 1? Isn't it 0? अरे लड्डू है ना, भूख लगी है क्या? सर बोलोगे तो भूख लग जाएगा. That is why I'm not telling laddu, sir. What is acceleration of block 1? Sir, it is not going anywhere. Acceleration is laddu, motichur ka laddu, 0, 0 laddu, right? So can I say acceleration of center of mass of block 1 is 0? That means कि net force on the block is 0. Net force on the block 1 is 0. What are the forces acting on this bachcha log? So there are 3 forces acting on block 1. One of them is in upward direction. 2 of them are acting in downward direction. So I can say if I take upward as positive, I can write N1G is minus N1G minus M1G minus N12 is equal to 0. And when you get the value of N1G, you can write M1G plus N12. अब बच्चा लोग बता, didn't we get N12 in N1G already? मिला कि नहीं मिला? मिल गया ना? So there will be effect of presence of second block on the forces on ground, but this second block will not apply a direct force on the ground. Guys, did you understand this point? There will be effect of the second block on the force on ground because of 1, but the second block will not apply a direct force on the ground because it is not in contact. Guys, click yes if you have understood this point. That is why ना देखो, अगर direct contact में रहेगा तो फिर there will be a force because of ground also on the second block. That is not going to happen. All right, चलिए. So Tarak Datta, did you get my answer? Did you get your answer? Yes, Kirtan, you can do that. No issues. Tarak Datta, did you get your answer? Did you get your doubt cleared? Bacha, please respond. Do I need to go for three block system, or you are like you got your doubt cleared? Clear hai? ठीक है. So I'm not going for the third block system. I might ask you to go for that by your own. Anyway, we'll solve so many numericals. Don't worry. हम लोग बहुत सारे numericals solve करेंगे. And you are going to enjoy this class, enjoy this chapter if you actually respond to me, if you actually participate in this class. Otherwise, बता रहा हूँ मैं, जिंदगी झंड हो जाएगा. You know the meaning of झंड? मतलब बोर हो जाएगा पूरा. ठीक है? You'll think of कि why did I take science? And why did I take physics? In science, I would have gone for only chemistry and mathematics and biology. Why do I attend physics class? That is going to happen if you don't interact with me, if you don't respond, if you don't actually be attentive in the class. And few of you must be saying this, sir, wo to pehle se hi lag raha hai. Right? Few of you must be saying this, sir, already we feel this. Reason kya hai? Because you are not doing your part, you are not actually practicing enough number of numericals and all. Okay, bachcha log, bhashan bahut hua. Now let us draw the free body diagram of the block and the wedge. How many of you have drawn the free body diagram of block and the wedge? Click yes. But chalo, click yes if you have drawn the free body diagram of the block and the wedge in this question. Only 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Guys, believe me guys, this second batch of PU1 is way more interactive than you. उसमें कुछ 200 बच्चे होते हैं, like 220, 230 guys are there. And in that batch, I can't even read all the doubts, all the inputs of the student. The chat section, the chats goes in such a fast manner in upward direction. I can't even take all of their names. And as I tell them 10, 12, 13, 14, when I see at the yes or no partner, they used to respond like zoom karke aisa. So just now it is 10. Now within a physio it will be 50. So 180, 170, 110 like this responses will be there. आपकी क्लास में बहुत कम response है बच्चा लोग. Anyway, चलिए तो आंसर करते हैं. Let us draw the free body diagram of the block. देखते हैं कितने लोग का correct answer आता है. So the basic, the main funda is what? To draw the free body diagram of the any system. First you have to assign the system. So first our system is block. तो पहले क्या करेंगे बच्चा लोग? Block बनाएंगे. ये हुआ ब्लॉक. तो लेट अस आइसोलेट द ब्लॉक हियर. अयो ये ब्लॉक खराब क्यों बन रहा है? चलो जैसा है वैसा ही, यही ब्लॉक है हमारे पास. सो दिस इज द ब्लॉक एंड इफ आई विल बी राइटिंग लाइक दिस एंड इफ आई एम इनसर्कलिंग इट, ठीक है, फ्रिक्शन नहीं है बच्चा. कीर्तन फ्रिक्शन नहीं है, स्मूथ है. कीर्तन मैंने लिखा ना स्मूथ सरफेस है. सरफेस इज स्मूथ. यहां अगर सरफेस स्मूथ है तो क्या है? फ्रिक्शन नहीं लगेगा. ओके, सो आई डोंट वांट यू टू कंसीडर फ्रिक्शन हियर बिकॉज़ फ्रिक्शन का डायरेक्शंस निकालना इज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी ऑल टुगेदर. सो आई हैव टू टीच यू हाउ टू फाइंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्रिक्शन व्हेन आई विल बी टीचिंग यू फ्रिक्शन इटसेल्फ. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, सो जब तक मैं फ्रिक्शन को इंट्रोड्यूस ना कराऊं, जब तक मैं फ्रिक्शन का लिखूं नहीं कि नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी फ्रिक्शन, यू डोंट हैव टू कंसीडर फ्रिक्शन एट ऑल. ओके, चलिए. सो नाउ टेल मी गाइस, व्हिच इज द फर्स्ट फोर्स वी शुड बी इंडिकेटिंग? पहला फोर्स कौन दिखाना है? कौन सा दिखाना है? Which force? या mg, धरती माँ का प्यार. ठीक है, तो चलो दिखाते हैं. कौन सा डायरेक्शन है बच्चा लोग? सो वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड. अर्थ इज हियर, राइट. सो वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड. लेट्स से दिस इज mg, small m into g. I'll consider mass of the wedge as capital M. तो capital M into g will be the force of gravity on the wedge. बहुत बढ़िया. अब बताओ बच्चा लोग, what about the normal force? In which direction normal force will act? This is थोड़ा सा tricky. Let us see how many of you can understand this. बोल बच्चा लोग, in which direction we should get the, or we should represent the direction of normal here? Do you want option? Guys, do you want option? Option देना है क्या? Yes, Pranav, you got the correct answer. Very good. Opposite to the force on the wedge. देखो होगा क्या बच्चा? See, because of this force, it will try to come down. It will try to come down. Simple. But this surface is going to oppose it. This surface is not going to let that happen. This surface can only allow motion along the plane, isn't it? This surface is smooth, so this surface of wedge will only allow the motion along the plane. So in which direction the surface will oppose the motion of the block? Motion of the block has to be, tendency of motion is in downward direction. So this motion can be broken, can be divided into two components. One along the plane, other one perpendicular to the plane. So combination of these two motions would be what? Downward direction. So this block can go freely in a direction parallel to the plane, but this block cannot go into the plane. It cannot penetrate normal to the plane. So what will happen? This block will experience a resisting force perpendicular to the surface of the wedge. All right, guys. तो क्या करेंगे? ये मान लो ऐसा surface, ये हटा ही दो. So now perpendicular to the surface of the wedge, there will be one force that will act. ठीक है बच्चा? तो कुछ ये डायरेक्शन में ऐसा फोर्स लगेगा. So this will be the normal on the block due to wedge, or let me call N only यार, या फिर ऐसे लिखता हूं NBW. दो लिख लिया यार, भांग का असर हो रहा है मुझे. NBW. ओके बच्चा लोग, तो ये हो गया हमारा NBW. ओके, तनिष्क is saying I didn't get it. चलो बच्चा, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन. तनिष्क, I am unmuting you. I want to ask you some basic questions, and through those questions you can understand the concepts properly. So Tanishk, I am unmuting you. Let me unmute Tanishk Patil. Sorry, Tanishk Kumar. Tanishk Kumar, can you hear me? I'm trying to unmute you. Please unmute yourself and please ask. Tanishk, it must be coming on your screen. Roshan Raj wants to unmute you. ऐसा करके कुछ तो आ रहा होगा. So please unmute yourself. You can see a symbol like this, mic का symbol बच्चा. So click on this. Please click on this. You'll be unmuted. Tanishk Kumar, please do that. Otherwise, I won't be able to clear your doubts properly. Tanishk, I tried to unmute you, but I think you don't want to ask your doubt. You don't want to. Tanishk Kumar, your screen is frozen. Guys, do you have anyone else who is having any other doubt in this one? No, Tanishk, that will take more time. Wait. Tanishk Kumar, I think you have. I think you have been unmuted. You can speak. Tanishk, can you hear me? Please speak. Tanishk. Okay, ठीक है बच्चा. Your voice is coming. Tell me, guys. Tell me, बच्चा, in which direction this block has a tendency to move? Tanishk Kumar, tell me in which direction the block has a tendency to move. Now you have muted again. So let me go to the next part. चलिए. So block has a tendency to go downward. So it cannot go exactly down because of the block. ठीक है? So this wedge can actually resist a motion perpendicular to it. So how a surface can block a motion? By applying an opposing force. So it will apply an opposing force in this direction. So normal force on the block due to wedge will be in this direction. Okay, chaliye. So these are the two on the block. Guys, this is not only thing that you have to understand. There are few other things that you have to understand. When you will be writing the force equations, okay, when you will be writing the force equations, you have to write the forces in a particular direction. You have to write the net forces in particular direction. If I ask you to write the component of mg along the plane, if this is the angle theta, tell me guys, if I ask you to find the component of mg along the plane, tell me guys, what will be the answer? बोल बच्चा लोग. Naveen has given an answer, but unfortunately that is incorrect. Question is, find the component of mg along the plane. Yes, Kirtan, you are correct. Come on, बच्चों लोग, बहुत ही आसान है. Basic geometry and basic concept of component. Very good, Vishwa. Vishwa has also got the correct answer. Srinivas has also got the correct answer. Krishna Yadwar, correct. Krishna, I don't know how to pronounce your surname here, bacha. Sorry if I have pronounced wrong. If I have pronounced wrongly. Sachiti, correct. Naveen, correct. Darshan, sir, component in sense for. Darshan, please shoot me. Please do that. Please send me to heaven or hell, wherever I belong to. Please shoot me. Darshan, what is your question? I couldn't understand. Sir, component in the sense WT. Sense what? I don't understand your question. I can't answer your question. Meghna is saying mg cos theta. Incorrect. Abhishek, wrong. Pradeep, what is block, बच्चा? Correct, Jhansi. देखिए यार, सिंपल सी बात है. I am asking you what is the component of mg along the plane. So along the direction of plane, what is the component of mg? So for that, I need to find what is the angle made by the mg with the plane. Tell me, guys, what is the angle made by the mg or subtended by the mg with the plane? Tell me, guys, what is the answer? बोल बच्चे जल्दी से. Darshan, please come with revision of vectors here. I can't be going like that. Sorry. Theta. Is it theta? What is the angle made by mg with the inclined plane? It's 90 minus theta. यार, it's basic geometry. Seriously. और कोई तो टॉय गन ला मेरे को शूट कर यार. क्या कर रहा है तू लोग? Are you actually playing with me or what? Are you actually like messing with me by giving some wrong answers? Because I can't believe you guys in standard 11th and you are giving me answer as angle made by the mg with the plane is 30 theta only. When this is also theta. Are you are going to have this kind of diagram here? Why can you? How can you like commit such mistake? This is the mg direction, right? This is the plane का direction. This is the plane. Plane मतलब aeroplane नहीं रही. Inclined plane. The wedge का plane. The surface of the plane. All right. Angle made by the plane with the horizontal. Angle made by the plane with the horizontal is theta. This is 90 degree. So what will be this angle? 90 minus theta. अरे क्या tough था क्या? ये aeronautical science था क्या? NASA के exam दे रहे हो क्या तुम? How can you even dare to think about the angle will be theta only? पाप किया तुमने पाप. प्रायश्चित करो. Go and have some water. Drink some water. Holy water. ठीक है? So थोड़ा सा साफ पानी पियो. Clean water पियो. तुम्हारे पाप सारे धुल जाएंगे. You'll start acting as a god. You'll start acting as a very, very human being. ठीक है? चलो बच्चों. So angle made by mg with the inclined plane is 90 minus theta. So what will be the component of the mg along the plane? So it will be mg into cos of the angle made by the force with the line. So that is 90 minus theta. So answer will be mg sin theta. Clear hai? Chaliye. Now if I ask you what is the component of mg perpendicular to the plane, along perpendicular to the plane, tell me the answer, guys. Tell me what will be the answer for component of mg along perpendicular to the plane. Jaldi se answer karo. It will be mg cos theta. Why, sir? Because perpendicular to the plane is nothing but this. Perpendicular to the plane is nothing but this. So if this is 90 minus theta, this will be theta. So component of mg along perpendicular to the plane will be mg into cos of angle made by the mg with the normal, that is theta. So sometimes you can also represent the free body diagram like this. This is mg sin theta. This is mg cos theta. But do I need to represent all these three forces, guys? If you're drawing the free body diagram, and if you're representing mg also, mg cos theta, mg sin theta also, then the free body diagram of yours will be wrong. Why? Because you have taken mg twice. So if you're drawing free body diagram, either you draw only mg, or you draw these two. Guys, did you get my point? But chalo, click yes if you have understood the component and mg cos theta, mg sin theta. But chalo, please let me know. So if you're drawing the free body diagram, either you draw only mg or you draw mg sin theta and mg cos theta. ठीक है चलो. So let me delete this part. ठीक है, मैं ये delete कर रहा हूँ. Anyway, but you have this answer, so you can represent that part. Okay, बच्चा लोग. Now time है ना हमारे पास. Okay, 2 मिनट बचा हुआ है. So now let us draw the free body diagram of the wedge. Let us draw the free body diagram of the wedge. देखो बच्चा लोग, तो ये हमारा वेज है. तो पहला फोर्स क्या लगेगा बच्चा? नीचे की ओर. That will be capital M into G. I have considered mass of the wedge is capital M. Now there will be normal reaction. Normal on the wedge due to ground. ठीक है? So these two have been sorted. Now this wedge has applied a force on the block in this direction. So block will apply a force on the wedge in downward direction. So perpendicular to this, a force will be applied by the block. Sorry, force on the wedge due to block. And this will be what? Perpendicular to the input. This is the free body diagram of the wedge. Guys, how many of you have got the same diagram for the free body diagram of the wedge? Guys, click yes if you have got the same diagram. Will there be any other force, guys? Will there be any other force? No. There is no any friction. There is no any roughness is there, so no friction will come. No electrostatic force, no magnetic force, कुछ भी नहीं है. So force of gravity and contact force. So these are the forces that will act on the wedge and that will act on the block. So guys, click yes if you have understood today's concepts. Very good, Mohammed. Very good, Ryan. बहुत बढ़िया. So guys, click yes if you have understood today's lecture. So I think it's time. I don't want to extend the class. So guys, I have added 3 questions here. So try to draw the free body diagram of these 3 questions. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for attending the class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a nice day, guys. If you have any doubt, you can stay here and you can ask the doubt. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Take care. Enjoy, Madi.